Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now. First, confirm your AdSense balance is zero and payments have posted so you won't lose funds. Next, download your payments and performance reports and any tax forms you need for records. Don't skip that step. Once done, sign into the exact Google account linked to AdSense and complete any two-step verification prompts so you can access the settings. These steps ensure you have proof and access. They make the later closure process clean and prevent accidental data loss. Now go to AdSense settings and navigate to account information, then choose Close Account. Carefully read each prompt. Google explains consequences such as stopping ad serving and data retention periods, then confirm you accept them. Provide or confirm a contact email when asked so you receive the closure confirmation and any final notices. Before leaving the page, record the confirmation number and take screenshots of the final message. These artifacts are how you prove timing and completion if disputes arise. Keep them safe. After closing, monitor your sites and apps. Ads should stop within 24 to 48 hours. If ads persist, clear caches and check from different devices to rule out local caching. If the closure page failed, try signing in again, use an incognito window, or clear cookies before repeating the process. Note any error codes you see. If problems continue, contact Google Account Support and provide the closure confirmation number and screenshots so they can reconcile your
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.